Wow, I can't believe we're here! And there's Liam!
Hello, folks.
Woohoo! Yes!
First up is the 5-pointed star. A little over here and a little over there.
Yeah! Woo! Just look at those hands go!
You guys are too much. Thank you. Huh?
Hi there, loves. Who's that?
Whatever, she's cool!
Why dance with one limb when you've got 3 more perfectly good ones? Impressive, isn't it? Yeah! Amazing! Aw, thanks.
What? This just isn't fair.
Huh? What are you all looking at?
Behind us?
Wait a minute. Oh no! No! It's challenge time!
Looks good. Me first? Cool. And… whoa, what is this thing?
Wow. Mind if I have a taste?
Well, I guess I can share.
Why won't it move? Ugh! Come on! Ugh! It won't budge.
I give up. How hard can it be? I lifted it just fine, see?
I really should join a gym.
More for me to eat, I guess. Cherry! My fave! Gah! This thing's too big to eat. Ha! I will not let this block of sugary goodness defeat me!
Liam?
Yeah! Break now! Hey, that worked pretty nicely. And now we can both enjoy it. Plus, they're bite-sized.
You sure about that, dude?
Ah, that was great. Want one?
I'd rather focus on what's under here. What? Shouldn't I have a plate here too? Whoa! Now this is more like it. And I can use this thing as a straw. Slurp we shall.
Ew. Hey, these are fun. Another one. Whoa, keep doing that, okay? This is great. No.
Me!
Me.
Is that a bat? Gotcha! And boy, am I glad this is mine.
Hey!
How do I open this thing anyway?
I know just how to eat this stuff. That's a whole lot of bubble gum. Wonder if I can fit it all in my mouth. Now let's roll this thing out, shall we? My lips can't move fast enough. Yum! So good. Now watch this. See?
Whoa! No! Don't! Ugh! Oh, it's everywhere!
You can say that again, but it was totally worth it!
I guess I can try that with this gum. If I knew how to open this thing. This is gonna take some time.
Ugh, this stuff sure is sticky.
Watch and learn. Triangles are the answer to this equation. Perfect! This is the exact right size. See? Tastes like watermelon!
Wow. I got it covered.
There's still one more left.
I think I can handle this one, Emma. You're going down, square gum. Phew. You're welcome.
You really slice this thing. Nice.
And this one's for you.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
That's a whole lot of strawberries. And they're all for me? Wow. Top one's going in first. Oh, this one's juicy.
And in the meantime… Eggs? Are these things even cooked? And Liam gets to eat a bunch of strawberries?
These are great.
Well, I think I can make this work. Make a small crack in the shell. Then pour 1 yolk into each box. I did a dozen of them. Then pop them into the freezer. Whoa! Out you go! These turned out just perfect. Oh, Liam. Look. Oh gosh! Don't puke! Pineapple chunk?
I'll trade you.
Sounds fair.
Lucky me.
Uh-huh.
These look pretty juicy. This is no ordinary pineapple. Ugh! Why are you laughing, Emma? Oh, come on, take them back! You sure about that?
Put the pan down!
Chill. I'm just gonna make some breakfast. These are eggs after all, right? Phew. I think they're just about ready. Gorgeous, isn't it? Just like you'd see in a restaurant. A little salt, and it looks good enough to eat. Bon appetit!
Well, that prank sure backfired. Hey, me first, okay? Ta-da! It's a Kit Kat Tower, people! And we're gonna have some fun. I'll go first. Don't let any of the bricks fall. See? And this is my reward.
Oh, my turn. Okay. I got it! Your turn.
Cool. This one. I'm good.
Slowly. I did it!
Ooh. Woohoo!
Woo!
At least I gave it my all, right? Your turn.
And… this is the biggest hunk of chocolate I've ever seen! Hold this.
What?
How do I… of course!
Whoa! Careful with that thing, Liam! That's not a good idea.
Now?
Still a bad idea.
Now?
Definitely not.
Or this?
Okay. Wait!
What?
You should probably wear protection.
Sounds good.
Wait! You just need one more thing. Protect that noggin of yours.
Fine. Ready?
Wait!
What?
Achoo! Okay.
Take that! Whoa! Who knew all that was in there? It's like my birthday. Wanna open them together?
Whoa! Our favorite snacks! Gah, come on! No! All of my chips!
Thanks for the shower, Emma. You dropped this?
I guess I did make a bit of a mess. Wait a minute. Let's put all these triangles together. And let's see what I can come up with here. And there you have it! Cool, isn't it? But wait. Let's really heat things up. Just a drop or two is all I need. Oh, that's hot!
Wait!
Just a little more won't hurt. This is gonna be incredible.
I got you!
Way to overreact. Uh-oh! Ah!
Anyway, she just needs a bit of water. And now it's my turn for some snackage. Ooh! I have an idea! Just gotta lay them all out here. Stacking while snacking, baby. Yeah!
Whew, and I'm back! Whoa, what you doing? That looks like a work of art.
More like the perfect circle.
Hey, let me see that thing!
Just call me King Potato Chip, please.
Whatever.
So rude. Now for a bite. Or more like 10 bites. Delicious!
Hot sauce? More for me then, I guess.
Why don't you go first, Emma? You sure? Okay. Can you even believe it? A whole pepperoni pizza for me! Oh. Wish you had a slice?
Wait! Ooh. Not funny, Liam.
I disagree.
Please?
No way.
Maybe I have one under here. Well, it's not pizza, but it's dessert! Yum!
Wow. Wait, I don't hear any begging. You think I could have some?
What?
Just a bite?
A small one? I don't think so.
What?
I don't want to wait one more minute. I'm going in. Come to mama. Oh boy. Mmm. So sweet.
Aw, look at those big bites. This is torture. Unless I do some creative slicing. And these are more than your average cuts. She's not looking right. Can you tell what shape it is? It's a beautiful heart! Okay, now watch this. She's gonna love it.
What? A heart-shaped pizza just for me? Oh, okay. I guess you can have some of my dessert. And I'll take half of your heart. Hey, fair is fair, right? Love sure is sweet. And even a little salty. Did these fun shapes and sizes make you hungry? Share this video with your friends and be sure to subscribe for more fun videos like this one!